Hey guys, Keary Taylor here. I just wanted to jump on and give a quick explanation of what you can expect when you buy direct from my new online store. Just because it's a little bit of a new experience buying direct from an author. Definitely new for me. I'm just barely getting this up and going. So I just wanted to give you kind of a quick walkthrough of what it's going to look like, how the process works, how you get it to your devices so you can either read it or listen to it. Yeah, just so you know kind of what's going on with it. Okay, so here you have a preview of what the online store looks like when you view it from your phone. Yeah, you can click into and see the different genres. Here I've got like my science fiction genre. There's also contemporary on there. I'm adding more books as they come out of Kindle Unlimited. Here you can see all the audiobooks. I'm able to offer them for a better price than you can get them on Audible. I've even got bundles in here. So you can check out either ebook bundles or audiobook bundles, and those are also a really good price compared to what it is when you buy them all separately. Then you can click in, you can get more information on the books. You can add it to your cart. So here you've got a cart. And then you just check out from here. It's a really easy and smooth checkout process, not really a big deal. And then it'll email you a confirmation of your order. And you'll also get another email from BookFunnel, who is the company that delivers the audiobooks and the ebooks. And in this, you'll have a link and it will have a code. And then so it'll look the same pretty much for either ebooks or audiobooks. It'll have a link and a code. So from there, you just go and you download the BookFunnel app. This is actually the screen that you will get when you first open it. It says enter book code. So you just copy that code that was emailed to you and submit it, and it'll pop it right into your library here. And this is what your library looks like. Yeah, puts everything in it. You can play your audiobooks here. And you can check out your ebooks. It's a pretty seamless reading process. You just click through page by page, just like pretty much any other e-reader. And then it's easy to navigate back to your library. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But hopefully it's pretty seamless and easy. I think it's going to start to become more of a regular thing that more authors are going to start offering that you can buy direct from them. So yeah, I think a lot of people are going to start becoming a lot more familiar with using BookFunnel. They're really great with their delivery system. I've been really impressed with them. They're great with their customer support. So should you have any issues with getting anything on your device, you can always reach out to them and they can walk you through it. Super easy. So far, everyone that I've tested it with has been really impressed with it, and it's worked really well. So yeah, I'm really excited to offer this to you guys. Just because I can offer a lot better discounts and bundles and offer things that I can't offer through Amazon or the other retailers. So I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too.